There's a lot of people to show robots. We try and keep it to 5 minutes or so.
Okay.
But there's not many people tonight, so ask as many questions as you want.
Shiloh. Anyone know where the speaker is? So, how's this work? Say something. We'll do an audio test here.
Hello.
Okay, does that work? Okay, so this is sting operation. It's been shown before, but there's a lot of new people here, and I had a request when we were out front to give a little bit of a demo on it. But so this is kind of a work in progress. It's been a work in progress for a long time. The basic idea is it's a telepresence robot. John Carlini and John Erickson, thank you, gave Shiloh this space, and just before she went off to school, she was going, well, how am I going to get to Robot Club from the East Coast?
Yeah, there you go.
And so we knocked together a iPad on a stick and been kind of growing on it. So right now it's teleoperable. Whoops. Poor connection. Well, can you still hear us? Okay, she can't hear us. We'll have to blame Google Wi-Fi for that. So anyway, it's teleoperable, but it does have a Raspberry Pi on it. And in the when Shiloh gets home for the summer, we'll work on actually making it remotely teleoperable from the East Coast. So anyway, I just wanted to quickly mention that, and for people that are new to the club, just kind of show that, hey, robots are kind of never done. You just work on them.
So is the sonar attached to anything, or?
Well, there's no sonar. There's a lidar, and it spins. So basically, it spins and produces data, but there's nothing consuming the data at the moment. That's the way we go. Oh, is she there? Yay! You're back.
Hello.
You're back. So I kind of gave the spiel, but anyway. And one of the things I said is, when you get home for the summer, you're going to make remote teleoperation work from the East Coast, right?
Yep.
All right.
Yeah. There we go.
She's saying something.
Okay, I'm sorry.
I'm tired of having you drive me around.
Okay, yeah, she's tired of having Dad drive her around, so there you go.
See you later.
All right, thank you.
Control.
Control freaks, yeah.
All right, who else has a robot to show tonight? Mark?
Mark Johnston, ladies and gentlemen.
Lovely assistant.
This is going to be pretty quick. I've got this down, I'm pretty sure, but Ralph is untrained, but he's really, really sharp, so I think he'll get it. So we just turn around this way, and I got this one here. I got this one. Here is our special device, which we will explain shortly. This robot was at Maker Faire briefly, or no, actually all 3 days, and it has a unique ability to balance on, it balances on a tight wire.
Oh.
And now, the name of the bot is, extra credit here,
Leon Russell.
TightWireBot. Clever. Now this is where I need the third hand, so if you can put this up here. Okay. And I can't say there's no strings attached. So. Thank you very much.
We need a book called The Flaming at the Mouth Award to write down things like that and keep it alongside the award.
So here's where it gets interesting. In my journeys to the Far East, deep inside Szechuan, where most of the parts for this came from, I stumbled across an amazing robot that was capable of quite an amazing set of feats. So we're going to now show you that robot, and I have to go into my dressing room briefly.
Yes.
Showmanship thing. But
Thank you, Ralph. Ladies and gentlemen, from the far corners of the Orient, never before seen in a public place except Maker Faire, which has about 15 billion more people than here, we bring you TightWireBot. Now, mind you, you have never heard more cheesy music than I have produced on this bot. And Laughing is okay. All right, so the little robot, like most robots, needs a little bit of power. So,
Oh, yes.
yes, thank you very much.
Spared no expense.
And up.
Little pitchy dog.
Yeah, actually, it's very limited resolution on the audio. Have to leave it here long enough so the accelerometer knows that it's going to be in this mode.
Look at me,
The
Mom.
wheel.
Seriously.
The wheel is Ninja Flex done on my printer, so if anybody wants to see Ninja Flex printed stuff. And then the speaker is courtesy of Nito, which is a tiny speaker that I was given at the last near Christmas kind of free giveaway event. It's going to go back and forth on the little display. It has an OLED display. It'll tell you if it's paused or whatever. So for dramatic effect, I have it stop periodically, and that builds tension. You know what I'm saying? There you go. Whoa, is it going to fall? Oh! No, it's not going to fall. On these sides, it has time of flight sensors. Oh, I'm surprised it's actually able to see these. I guess, oh yeah, I guess I don't need this. What this was is
More
custom endpoints so that the time of flight sensors can pick up something that's big enough to see and then go the other direction. Now this time of flight sensor bracket was what I showed being designed here when we had our little talk on Fusion 360 and all that kind of stuff. So a bunch of little cool things on this. You might want to come by later and take a look. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed the show.
Right.
I even have a little switch, so when I run it later, because it'll be running later, I'll turn off the annoying music. Yeah, I thought that would get some applause.
All right, I don't know who wants to follow that, but